My name is Dean Stanley, and this is the second house that I've had Daniel paint for me. And you can see he did an awesome job.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Getting ready to power wash the home. Well, he's already power washed all that. He is getting ready. He's power washing here. We have to scrape all the peeling stucco from the house. All this stucco, all this has to be prepped behind here. Pretty much the whole house has to be prepared. Typically what my guy's gonna do is gonna power wash and he's gonna mask all this floor, which that's what we do. We're gonna make sure all this floor is masked so it doesn't no power wash. No overspray gets on the door. We are also painting the front of this home. Beautiful home. Needs to be you can see what we're doing here. All this home has to get repainted. Wonderful color, wonderful home. It just needs to be brought back to its formal beauty. The garage doors are already faded. As you can see, all the stucco repairs that need to be done. You guys can see all this has to be done. He has this power washer. He's been masking and taking the mask away because of the owners. They're on their 80s, so we got to make sure that they're not in the plastic, that they might trip or anything. So basically what we're doing is we're masking as we go. So we mask here, we painted this area, and after that we'll take it off. Same thing, since they take their cars out and right now we still have to do that area, but since they take their golf cart out, well, we painted the door. My guy cleaned. He's gonna put it back once he has to do those pop-out trims. He's still in the process of it. On this home, we're using Dunn Edwards. That's what the homeowner required. Now, we always recommend Sherwin-Williams, but we do whatever you want. Dunn Edwards great too, but we just prefer Sherwin-Williams. Now, you guys can see that door is gonna get painted the same as the pop-out, but that's something that's gonna be done a little later this week. Now, like same thing, I'm showing you that my guy is removing the plastic so our clients won't trip. They're elderly. Now, all these doors, we always tend to give this for free, included in our bid. So this is what we do, pretty much put plastic. Here they said it was okay, they're not gonna be walking. I wanna show you the trim, the fascia board, all what he's been doing. He added all that, it's called elastomeric or wood filler. We do that when the trim is in really bad shape. Obviously, the next door's neighbor, that one's terrible, you gotta replace it. But if you see it shiny, well, it's because it's barely been done. It's still fresh, it needs to cure. Now, this was a big gap. Let me show you what my guy did here with this big gap. Now, like I said, it's shining right now, but it's gonna come off. I'm gonna show you what we're doing here. So, you guys remember all that was peeling off. All that was peeling off, and my guy scraped it. Wilmer is doing a great job. This is what we have. All this upper here, it looked terrible. Now he has to, well, I'm seeing a spot right now. We're gonna have to redo it again. And then look, all the upper corner, what he's done. Just a great job. We cover everything. Make sure that there's nothing around. And you guys can see all this. He's done a great job. He's painting the fascia board right now as we speak. There you go. He's on his way. Just painting. It's just gonna look great. Fixed all that side. There was a hole here, if you guys remember. Wilmer here is very detailed. That's why we like him, because he's doing all the detail, making sure that everything's looking well. Look at all that fascia. He did all the white, all the elastomeric in the fascia.